Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Pick a reputable VPN that uses AES 256 encryption and a strict no-logs policy because privacy matters. Once chosen, create your account, verify the email, and enable 2FA so intruders can't reuse that password. Then download the provider app for your device, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, or supported router firmware, and install it. Make sure to save credentials in a secure manager. This prevents you now configure detailed settings and make the connection. Sign into the app, then immediately enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection. These stop traffic if the VPN drops. Next, choose a protocol. Use WireGuard for faster throughput and lower latency. Use OpenVPN if you need wider compatibility. Once set, pick a server, the nearest for speed, or a specific country for geo-unlocking. After connecting, run a quick IP and DNS check to confirm traffic routes through the VPN and not your ISP. You finish by validating the setup and knowing one solid troubleshooting path. Test streaming, speed, and IP to confirm geo-unblocks and performance. If a site still detects location, clear browser caches and cookies. If the VPN won't connect, switch protocol, try a different server, or reinstall the app. These steps fix most issues. Make sure the client stays updated and your subscription is active. Use split tunneling sparingly to avoid leaks. If problems persist, contact support with logs and timestamps for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.